We are familiar with pressing the left primary mouse button to select items, open items, and drag items. But it's also important to be aware of a right-click menu. The right-click menu is context sensitive, so what that basically means is depending where the pointer is depends on what menus I get. If I perhaps move over recycle bin, I will get 5 options, and these are specific to the recycle bin. If I just hover over the desktop and right-click, I have the options specific to the desktop. Perhaps I want to organize the desktop. I perhaps want to change my screen resolution, add some gadgets which are discussed in the Windows 7, or personalize my screen. If I right-click on a certain file type, depending on the file type depends on the options that are shown. I can right-click down on the Windows orb, and I can open up Windows Explorer or find out properties. I can right-click on any of these applications and perform a number of tasks depending on what application. I can right-click on the actual clock itself and change information, or on the taskbar. So the right-click is a very powerful tool. Software developers use it to provide additional functionality within their applications, and don't be afraid just to right-click to find out if there is an easy shortcut. Now, if you're left-handed, you might actually prefer to swap your mouse buttons around, and you might like to have your context-sensitive button to be on the left as opposed to the right. If that's the case, all you do is right-click on your desktop, personalize. This will bring up another menu. On the left-hand side, it is change mouse pointers. Select the buttons, and there is an option there, switch primary and secondary buttons. And when you click on that, you can see the little image just changes.